What's up, everybody? Okay, here's a real quick one for you. Like for Unreal Engine 5.5, you've got your little widgety things here. You see, you can move stuff and whatever. But there's a nice little feature here. If you go to Edit and Editor Preferences, alright, go in there and just type in Look and Feel. Feel. There we go. And then you get these three in the top here, which are really kind of cool if you want to enable the mic. You got the first one saying enable combined translation and rotation. So if I click that on, you can see here that I've got like a little circle in there now. So you can move stuff around, and if you grab this like little arrow, you can rotate things, which is pretty cool. The next one is able arc ball rotate, which is one that I like to use. If you go into E for rotate, usually you have to go along the axis to rotate something, but now you can grab it in the middle and just rotate as you please, which is pretty cool. So you can grab it and you can move on 3 axes, okay, which is pretty cool. Because sometimes even, you grab just off this thing and it doesn't rotate, it clicks off of it. So this is just nice to have, right? Cool. Then you get enable screen rotate, alright, and that's when you get this ball over here, and this is always facing the screen, which is cool. So you can go around there and move it as you please, which is pretty cool. It's always facing the screen, so if you want to just do like a kind of like a whatever, you can do that now. So extremely quick tutorial, just so nice little tips, right? Gizmo tips that you can enable and disable right inside of here, which are pretty cool. I kind of use them. I like them. They make working a lot quicker, where you could just go in, move something, screen rotate, cool. Go here, move something, grab a little arrow, whatever, and it just makes life a little bit easier. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Really quick one. Have a sehr schönes Wochenende, ja, oder? And I'll see you in a new one. I've got a really nice one coming up, how to build an entire scene, but it's going to take some time to edit and finish it. Anyway, I hope this holds you over, and have a lovely weekend. All right, bye guys.